Welcome back. In terms of changing the confirmation message inside of Aweber, the process is going to be slightly different. What you're going to notice here is that you need to request to have your subject line approved. And so what you're going to do here is you're going to click this link and you're going to then write in your request for a custom subject line. If you want to have the subject line personalized and you want to add in a token, such as the person's first name, you can do that. What you'll notice here is that the approval can take up to 1 business day before you can have a subject line approved. Aweber also has different subject lines that you can use. So for example, if you want to change your subject line to something different without going through the approval process, you can do that. Now again, the most important element in this process in order to keep from triggering spam filters for the confirmation message is going to be to edit the message content. And once again, you want to keep the message content centered on the confirmation process and the email list that the person just signed up for. At the same time, you want to make sure that this content is entirely different. So again, regardless of which autoresponder company you use, make sure your confirmation message is going to be custom and that it speaks to confirming, but that it does not use the boilerplate language given to you by the autoresponder company. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.